What is up, guys? Welcome to this video. Last minute, we decided to spur of the moment. What are we gonna do, guys?
Climb a mountain!
All right, boys, let's go climb a mountain.
Yeah!
All right, we ready to rock?
Yeah, I feel like
We
a
made it?
grandpa. I feel like a grandpa with a cane with this thing.
Glad we brought our pack mules with us, also known as Parker and Chase.
Also known as, these are also known as camel fuckers.
You can drive me to your heart. Oh, you. Oh, you. You can drive me to your heart. Oh, you.
Let's go to the mountain.
How's it going, dude? How you feeling? We're about 4 minutes. We're 4 minutes in.
What's this?
4 minutes in. How you feeling? That
A
is
little tired.
that is a sewer drain for all the poop that comes off the mountain.
Wow. Do we go this way?
Yep, we're following the yellow triangle. Following the yellow triangle, bud.
This way?
See the sign right here? What does it say?
Summit.
Watadic.
Watadic Summit.
Yep, which the summit is what?
I don't know.
The top. Oh, you guys got that? And
Yeah.
it's just a little rock. You got it's fine. You almost got it. Harder. All right, good job. It's in our way. We got to move it, man.
You can drive me to your heart.
Little tiny stairs.
You gonna climb up?
Straight up.
You gonna do it?
I'm gonna try.
To your heart. Oh,
He's peeing. He's peeing, guys. He's peeing.
None of that.
He's peeing.
you can drive me to your heart. Oh,
Okay, the first one to me.
What do you got for a snack? You got a Quest cookie? You got some protein? No, you got a Fruit Loop cereal bar.
And I
All right.
got some muffins.
You got some muffins? Here, can you give one of these to mommy?
Wait, do we have our honey bun? I was the first one up here.
We made it to the top in, what are we making in 45 minutes? Chase led the way. He's a little mountain goat or something.
I'm good at parkour. I'm better because my name is parkour. Your name is Parker.
Your name is Parkour?
Well, it's close enough.
It's Parker, not parkour.
Oh yeah, just add a core on my name. Take away the all. It's me, Mario. Let's do. Woohoo! Onward. Yeah.
We're on the way down.
Yeah.
Chase is leading the way. Let's go, bud.
Let's go.
Nope.
That way.
Yep.
Yes. Yay. I can't wait to go down the dance.
What is this tree?
It has a lot of boobies. Yeah.
Guys, look, there's some lady slippers.
Why can't we touch them?
Because they're endangered, or they were? I'm not sure if they still are or not, but pretty cool, huh?
Those are ladies. Why were they endangered?
Good question. We're on the home stretch. And we just finished the tallest mountain in Ashburnham, Massachusetts. Good job, guys. We did it.
Yeah.
We conquered it. All right, we're all sweaty.
I'm gonna take a shower first.
All right, we're gonna go home. You guys have a great day. Always remember to rock and roll.
You can drive me to your heart.